friends. Let's see. So my baby is getting this. So this is my giant teddy bear. So this is a big teddy bear. So next is a sleepy kangaroo. Is sleeping and eyes. Me. This is look like a me. Can I explain your soft toys? Here. So this is my giant teddy bear. I can't hold it. Next this is a kangaroo. This is a sleepy kangaroo. So and this is minions. It's fun. Yes. Next this is Dora. And this is my Dora. Then this is a cat. I don't know whether this is a cat or a mouse. This is a cat. Next, this is Nippon. And this is monkey. And this monkey. And this is Minnie. Next is Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Minnie. I don't know what his name is. So this is this one and this. Okay, Nippon. This is Nippon. I show you that. Then this is orange and this is red. So I gonna show you animals now. I gonna show you some animals. It's a scary animal. So this is Doraemon. It's so soft. So the Doraemon will be soft. Next is the lion. The lion in the Australia. My dad brought from Australia. Raw. And this is Australia too. This has Australia. And the little kangaroo. This is Australia. My dad gave to Australia. The kangaroo is in the Australia. This is good.
Mommy.
I just put it. I want to show the monkey.
Mommy.
Oh. Now, I'm going to show you
Mommy.
the panda.
Mommy.
It's so soft, I never know.
Mommy.
I can't squeeze it. It's so soft.
Mama.
And this is kangaroo.
Mama.
Bought from Australia too. This tiger. Oh, I can. And this is my teddy bear. He's so soft. Next is the another kangaroo. So, and next is, I know, a baby kangaroo with baby kangaroo. It's different. So that's it. This is Dora. This is Dora. So this is Dora and this is Budgie. So and this can hold me. This can hold me look like this. So, and this can. I think this is a battery throw. What's wrong with this? You can hear it, that's right. Because I just pressed this over here and I saw sweet sound is. So, oh, I forgot. This teddy bear. I forgot. His throat. Teddy bear's throat. It's gonna sit. Let's bite himself. So, it's got packets. It's got packets and hats. You see? And dresses. But another teddy bear has a dress, and this teddy bear don't have a dress. So that's the difference. So this is all the toys I got, but then there's more the toys, but I need to show that. But I think this is a lot. I don't want to show that all things. But the cat